Hi everyone, welcome to NaokoChannel piano lesson. Today I'm going to teach you FACE, treble clef space notes, and treble C, D, E, F, G on the right hand. Let's get to the lesson. Face, treble clef, middle C, you know already, and find the key of F above the middle C. That's the space note, second space note A, third space note C, fourth space note E. Those two are probably new for you. Let's get to the song. It's all space note. You see the first space note, that's F. Second space note A, third space note C, go back to second space note A. Okay, and the time signature is 3/4. So it's a 3 beat, 3 beat, 3 beat, 3 beats. And second line, this is a space note, quarter notes, F, A, C, F, A, C, F, A, C. And the left hand goes over the right hand and play this note, which is the top space note with F, A, C, E. That would be E. Okay, let's play this one. Number 1 goes on F, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, go. 1, 2, 3, F, 2, 3, C, 2, 3, A, 2, 3, F, A, C, F, A, C, F, A, C, E. Okay, then let's go to next song. Halftime show. It's very fun song to play with the duet. Get ready for the first note, C. Right hand, F. We have a repeat sign. And from the measure 9, both hands, same note, C, A. So it's left hand, C, A, to the end. All right, let's try. Left hand, number 1, C. Right hand, number 1, F. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Repeat. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go to the next page. Not do this one. Let's go to the next one. This is also space notes. Okay, there's more notes between the space note, which is one note down from the A, G, F, right? And that's a space note, A, C, C. Let's try. And there's a new dynamic mark, mezzo piano, moderately soft. at the beginning has a sign, mezzo piano. Here's a forte. Do you remember? Play strong, mezzo piano again, and play strong. Set up number 5 on the F, number 1 on C, middle C, and right hand number 3 on A. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Da, 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 2, 3, repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I think you did it. Let's go to the next page. Bass C, middle C, treble C, and this piece start with the middle C, forte. Okay, time signature 4/4, and staccato. Do you remember that? And that's the third space note. C. Use number 3 with a brace with thumb. That's middle C for the left hand. Same thing. Now the left hand, and number 5 goes to bass C, and go back to middle C, and finish the song. Let's try. Number 1 on the middle C, number 3 on the treble C. 1, 2, 3, 4. Staccato, pop, pop, rest, C, C, A, G, C. Rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Staccato. Okay, pretty easy. Let's go to the next page. Now you know treble clef, F, A, C, E, face, right? Okay, so that's the C, and one note up, that's D, and top space note E. This piece, Mozart has 5 names. Johann Chrysostomus Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart was his name. Okay, let's try this one. Starting off the middle C, right hand. Number 5 goes on the bass C for the left hand. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. B, D, F, E, D, 2, 3, 4. D, F, 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 E, G, F, E, and C together. Now left hand move. A, B, C, 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 B, A, G, G, F, E, D, C, C, D, C, D, C, 2, 3, 4. D, C, D, C, 2, 3, 4. Now you learned F, A, C, E. Let's go treble C, D, E, F, G for the right hand. Okay, this is the song using a treble C, D, E, F, G. Let's try. First note. Left hand is starting here. Number 1 on G. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C, E, G, 2, 3, 4. G, F, E, D, C, D, E, F, G, E, C, 2, 3, 4. Together. G, E, G, 2, 3, 4. G, G, E, G, E, C, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C, E, G, 2, 3, 4. G, F, E, D, C, D, E, F, G, E, C, 2, 3, 4. Together. G, E, G, 2, 3, 4. G, G, E, G, E, C, 2, 3, 4. That's it. So, next page. So this is fun song, Juggler. Number 1, middle C, and right hand C and E. It has a staccato sign, so be careful. Let's do the halfway to here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. C, B, A, G, B, G, A, B, C, B, A, G, C, B, A, G, B, G, A, B, C. Rest. Yes. Then from here, right hand treble C. Now left hand middle C. Then right hand goes to bass C, number 2 finger here. And then left hand middle C, rest, treble C, 1, 2, and middle C, left hand, 4, right hand again, rest, middle C, rest, treble C twice, middle C twice, bass C twice, middle C, rest, then finish the song. Okay, let's do the whole thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Staccatos. Slow. Play legato. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Rest. 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 Twice. C. Rest. Rest. Middle. C. Rest. Twice. 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 Rest. How was today's lesson? I hope this helps you. If you have any questions, please comment. I will answer your questions, okay? We'll see you at the next lesson.